Maduram has got this rare opportunity to show you the real nature and beauty of Mother Nature. This is a private coffee estate somewhere close to Chikmagaluru. And while I was just walking through this coffee estate, since it is off-road and the beauty is really tranquil and more energizing, for the very simple reason this is too much inside the close to the forest area. And the owner of this property also was telling me about wild animals passing through this corridor, and you can experience the climate as well. It's very cool, although it has started raining just from past 2-3 days. So this is the rare glimpse of how Mars develops and how we can learn this while we make a terrarium or a paludorium. You can see this Mars. It's really wonderful. A nice place to learn what Mother Nature is all about and how we can make a small terrarium out of our learnings. And I request one and all to plan your holiday, vacation or a weekend. Could be sometimes alone or with your family members and friends, and spend a very peaceful time being amidst of nature.